development from Shenzhen. ENVIS technology. Hi, is that America? Hi.
Hello.
Hi, good afternoon. Hi, good afternoon. I'm Jane from Lightstrade, from a lighting online exhibition, Lightstrade. And may I have your name, please?
My name is Miracle Huang.
Miracle. Oh, wow, that's a miracle name. That's a wonderful name. Thank you. Oh, and a very pretty, beautiful lady. Thank you. Thank you for being with us and welcome. Thanks. Miracle, I see from your company locates in Shenzhen, right? And it's a technology development company. Would you like to give us a brief introduction of your company and in just 10 to 15 minutes? Thank you.
Okay. Thank you. ENVIS Lighting is actually established in 2007. It is a high-tech company. As for the ENVIS Lighting Technology Corporate Limited, which is established in 2014. Yeah. We are specializing in the development, marketing of innovative LED lighting products. Our headquarters in Shenzhen reaches 600 square meters, and factories in Zhongshan City. We have several small factories in Zhongshan City. Yes, we have more than 4,000 square meters and employ total more than 112 workers. Our subsidiary Extended Zhongshan Intelligent Technology Corporate Limited. Our factory reaches ISO 9001 standard. Yes. ENVIS product line covers LED city lamp, LED downlight, LED panel light, LED spotlight, etc., which is suitable for home, office, and commercial places. As for the city lamps, we have so many different functions, such as infrared control city lamp, Bluetooth music city lamp, 2.4G, and Wi-Fi 2 city lamp. Yeah, our products have obtained all kinds of domestic and international certificates, including CE, CB, ROX, and ERP and IECEE. As well now, when we do Euro markets, we need to have the new ERP. So we are now doing the new ERP certificate. Okay, our sales networks have covered countries all over the world, such as Europe, Asia, South America, Africa, and Middle East, essential. We can provide OEM and ODM service to our customers. Yes, we aim to bring more and more values to customers, bringing not only comfortable lighting environment, but now fun to people by our smart lighting products. We focus on green products and energy-saving products with less harm to the environment. We believe in good products can tell, with continuous efforts to improve the product quality and enlarge the product functions. Okay, this is briefly our company into informations.
Wow, thank you, Miracle. Yeah, just from your introduction of your company, I did those notes. I'm taking notes. I'm focusing on your details. So you mentioned that the Europe selling, because it's changing from the ERP to new ERP. So you are getting the new certification, right?
Yeah, because on that market, Europe.
Yeah. I see your market covers Europe, South America, Africa, Middle East. It's all over the world, and so you have the manufacturing plants in Zhongshan City, and you are the high tech in Shenzhen. So you are the branches. Wow, that's really good. That's really good. I see that the capacity, the production capacity Really good. Thank you. And would you like to show us some product or some detailed or some highlights that you want to show us on this online factory tour, please?
Yes, of course.
Yeah.
Today, I want to show our new product. This is the Aurora music ceiling lamps. As we all know, Bluetooth music ceiling lamp is very popular in all of the world. Many customers order the music ceiling lamps. Today, I want to introduce our Aurora music ceiling lamp. The Aurora music ceiling lamp also controls by controller and the phone app. This app also called a link, but they have the different functions than the general Bluetooth music ceiling lamp. Now I will show you one by one. We control by the controller is like this. Now I show you.
Oh, wow.
Yes.
Aurora.
So,
Uh-huh.
yeah.
Can change the
Yeah.
light strength and the temperature. Yeah. Ah,
Yeah.
I can see this turn turn brown, yellow a little bit. Yeah. Temperature is
Yes.
dropping. It's rising. Yeah.
But the make sure it takes Aurora ceiling lamp with change RGB.
Uh-huh. Oh.
Yeah, it's like this. With the changing RGB color, mixed color together.
Uh-huh.
But the general ceiling lamps, general music ceiling lamps without this function. Yeah, show you.
Oh,
Yeah.
it's like a fan
Yes.
rotating.
With meaning we connect the music. Actually, this is the lamps can dancing RGB color. They have the different mode.
Pretty.
A little bit like fans.
Uh-huh. Well, it can create a lot of environments and applications, areas, scenarios will be dreamable. Oh, I heard some music.
Yes. Yeah. We can control the voice. Oh, sorry. Yes. And the thick 6 button is the pulse.
Mm-hmm.
And we can increase the voice. Oh, we don't. Sorry. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. We can change the voice.
Yeah.
And the next button is the next song.
Next song.
Increase the voice.
Increase the voice.
The middle is the pulse. Yeah. And we can see this is just one RGB button. Actually, they have the many functions. They are about more than 80 sim lights. Yeah, this is controlled by controller. Now I show you the phone app.
Oh, you have also have an app. Great.
Yes. The lens can also control by lamp. This app is a link. Yes.
I see the blue one, the blue icon.
Yes. Yes. First time you need to connect the
Wi-Fi
link and then
Bluetooth.
onto the link page.
Yeah.
Now I will show you the light one by one.
Yeah.
For example, red.
Yeah.
Yellow.
And yellow. Yeah. And green.
Sorry, this is the blue.
And the dark blue.
Yeah. And the pink. You can control you can change the color on this mode.
Oh, wow.
Very yeah.
Very, very convenient.
Yeah.
And you will get what you see. Yes. Yeah, very convenient.
That's the brightness. Here, this is the 100% brightness. Yeah. And the one things here, they have also have the different light. For example, one natural light.
Yeah.
Sunset.
Mm-hmm.
Sorry, this is the sunlight. The
Sunlight one. Okay. Wow, that's beautiful. And it's controllable. So it's so convenient and suitable for smart home. And even you want to create a dancing pool or create it into another environment, you can use these applications.
And this is the things here. Here have so many thin lights.
Songs.
85. For example, this one.
Can we download some music into that, or I can only select from the pool? Okay. So interactive system is the ecosystem is well built. Thank you.
Now I show you the lighting effect. Yeah, it's like this. Here I have the so many lighting effects you can choose.
Effects. Wow. It's plenty of effects.
Yes. You can choose different color and mix color together. For example, this one is red, black, and blue flowing. And the next one, we can have the this one is green, black, cyan flowing. Purple, black, cyan.
The Aurora really can do a lot of functions modes. This one is nearly white because wow, when it spin down, not that fast, slow, then you can change the colors.
Slowly, just like this. This is the speed. You can choose the big simply quickly here.
I see.
Yeah, but it's the brightness.
The brightness.
Yes.
Great. So this product is our new product release this year.
Yes, actually, last year we want to push these items, but we
upgraded.
Finally, it's more and more social. And this year we introduce our this one Aurora Music Land to all of our customers.
Wow, that's great. That's great. First, the product name Aurora. Wow, that's great and pretty. And the functioning is convenient, suitable for the smart home and other application scenarios I just mentioned, and all the functions that you can link up with your app and with your remote panel. So actually multiple methods to connect with this item. I think this will be a wholesale. It's really good. And may I ask you a question that have you ever considered to sell this product or other product online on some e-commerce platform like Amazon or eBay or Shopify, like that, cross-border e-commerce platform? Have you ever tried?
Actually, we have another functions Ceilinglamp sales very popular, such as remote control Ceilinglamps, Wi-Fi 12 Ceilinglamp, and remote control Ceilinglamp with or without RGB Ceilinglamp also still very popular. Yeah.
Okay, so Well, the connection and the protocols are very good, and the smart homes can also link to your items, products in here. Yeah, and would you like to anything else you want to introduce in this session? Anything else?
Because just now I
just want to say this one. This is the first
one.
And yeah.
Reader, so we don't prepare more items.
Well, this one is a kickoff. It's a good enough and well enough. I really this one, and I know that you're located in Zhongshan and Shenzhen. Were you attending our Guangzhou International Lighting Exhibition, GILE? Are you preparing to attend that lighting fair?
Yes.
In Guangzhou? Yes.
Yes, we'll exhibit our items in Guangzhou International Lighting Fair. Yes.
Wow. That's great. Yes. So I believe I will see you soon on site in Guangzhou, and welcome. Thank you. Thank you, Miracle. So today, thank you for giving us a well done introduction of your company and your Aurora. That's really good. And thank you so much. And have a good afternoon. Thank you, Miracle. See you next time. See you. Thank you. Bye-bye.